kembali.
Om Swastiastu.
My name is Ibu Tufani Alfudisha, number 37.
My name is Lopututri Amandana Dewi, absent 32.
My name is Aulia Anjani, number 2.
My name is Nikade Aripustasa Smita Dewi, number 20H, class AH.
We will present the poster you have chosen about maintaining cleanliness. It is the greatest of our mistake to do nothing because you can only do little. Do you what you can? Number 1. Don't throw rubbish in the river. 2. Using required products.
3. Don't burn robins. 4. Save energy.
5. As early as next 3. Don't burn rubbish.
8. Wash electricity. 2. Throw gravel in its place.
That is all. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yay.
Terus timnya kaku ini.